Welcome to the third video in the Speaking English Easily series. In this video, I will talk about the importance of increasing your vocabulary and how studying texts is a powerful tool to achieve this goal. When you start to learn some basic grammar rules and how to use some verbs, you realize that English is a very simple language and allows you to create very useful sentences with very little grammatical knowledge. However, if your vocabulary is too weak, you will be limited and will not be able to communicate well. So you need to have a sequence of studies to expand your vocabulary of words in English. One of the most powerful tools for increasing vocabulary is studying texts. It is important that you study texts on the most varied subjects, so that you acquire a very diverse vocabulary. For example, in this text you are studying now, you are reading and at the same time listening to the audio. This greatly increases vocabulary assimilation. Another interesting aspect of studying texts is that the words will be repeated many times, and this way, it will be much easier to assimilate them. In this text, for example, we highlight the most important words in another color, so that your brain can assimilate them more easily. It is very important that you write down words that are new to you in a notebook and review them later. After studying the text and reviewing new words, it is important that you only listen to the audio, without reading the text, so that you can reinforce your assimilation. So, continue studying this series of texts and your vocabulary will certainly increase a lot, helping you to have better listening and better communication in English. See you next video.